Make this checkbox progress chart in 2 minutes. Every time you check a box, your chart is going to update. First, we need to go up to Insert Checkbox. And then we need to enter in our milestones. Mine are going to be generic, but go ahead and enter in whatever makes sense for you. I'm going to drag this down, and now I've got my milestones. Next, we need a formula. So we need to use the COUNTIFs function exactly as shown, and we are first selecting our checkboxes, then we're going to select our column of milestones. And we're using the not equals function here. And then what we're going to need to do is divide by a COUNTIF, not COUNTIFs. This second one is just COUNTIF, and then we're selecting all of our checkboxes, and again, using the not equals, and then closing that up. Let's test it out. As we check our checkboxes, that percentage is adjusting and it is appropriate. You always want to do that spot check. Next, we need the not completed, so we're just going to simply do 1 minus our completed. If you select those and insert a chart, we're going to select the donut chart, and you'll probably have to hit switch rows and columns to make it actually show both completed and not completed, but I'm just going through here and formatting, so you can click on the background or you can click on each part of the pie and change the fill color. I'm going to delete the legend on either side. I don't feel it's necessary here, and now I'm going to resize it down. We can select the entire chart area and add a thick outside border to make it look nicer. And let's click on that. And then you could select just your checkboxes and milestones and add a border, because what we want to do is go up to grid lines and uncheck those. So now it looks a lot cleaner. And now you've got a wide open spot to put your graph or your chart, and we're going to just resize it, move it in place. Let's turn the text on the completed and not completed white so you don't see it anymore. And then we'll just resize this down. And as you're moving it in place, it's looking great. Now, as you go to test this out and check your checkboxes, every milestone done updates your chart.